Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you about a Python PIP. What is a PIP? PIP is package managed for Python package or module if you like. If you have a Python version 3.4 or later, PIP is included by default. What is a package? A package contains all the files you need for the module. Modules are the Python code library you can include in your project. So एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोग्राम का पोर्शन मॉड्यूल होता है और जो पैकेज के अंदर इंक्लूडेड होता है और हम उसको कॉल करके पैकेज में पाइथन के यूज करते हैं इनबिल्ट फंक्शंस होते हैं. Check if pip is installed. Now you want to check the pip is installed or not. For that you have to write pip. Here you have to write pip version. When you write it, then it will give this is the 20.2.4 from this and version is 3.8.6. Now if it is installed, then okay, otherwise you have to install it and go for this link https://py.pypi.org project pip. There you will get the pip package. Download that package, is very easy. Open command line interface and tell pip to download the package you want. Navigate your command line to the location of Python script directory and type the following. अब डायरेक्टरी में जाके हम लिखेंगे pip here I will write on terminal pip install camel case. It will install the file because it is already there and PIP list. When you do this, then you will get the program. When you run this, then this is giving the welcome to Python tutorial. तो हर वर्ड का फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर कैपिटल कर देगा. इट विल मेक द फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर ऑफ द ईच वर्ड टू कैपिटल. So now you have to install here PIP install camel case. This way you can install the camel case if there is a list. So find out list. You will get the list if there is a camel case. PIP list. This is showing that in this version Pilo and Pip are there. So it is already there and now you have to find out using a package. Once the package is installed, it is ready to use. Import the camel case package into your project. Import camel case, C camel case text welcome to Python tutorial print C हम text. अब जो टेक्स्ट हमारा होगा उसमें हर टेक्स्ट के वर्ड का पहला अक्षर कैपिटल हो जाएगा, जैसा कि अभी हमने आपको दिखाया. Here I have written import camel case c equals to camel case text welcome to Python tutorial print c hum text, and it is printing welcome to Python tutorial. Now in terminal you write PIP list. Here PIP list. It is installed there, and now write PIP list. It is giving these much software packages which you install in it. So there are so many: camel case switcher, camel case, click, flash, flask, और बहुत से हमने इसमें इंस्टॉल किए. So many I have installed here, but how to install I am telling you. And find the package. अगर नहीं मिलता पैकेज तो यहाँ जा कर के आप ढूंढ लीजिए. अभी पैकेज को अगर रिमूव करना है तो यू हैव टू राइट अनइंस्टॉल कैमल केस, जो भी होगा आपका वो लेकर के उसका वर्जन लिख करके आपको इसको अनइंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. कैसे करेंगे, यहाँ पर लिखते हैं टर्मिनल लोकल केस टर्मिनल, यहाँ पे जाएंगे अनइंस्टॉल कैमल केस, देन यू राइट प्रेस यस, तो वो कैमल केस को अनइंस्टॉल कर देगा. नो, I don't want to uninstall, so I write no. Next है list package, which I already show you. Then example list install package, ये भी आपको दिखा दिया कि मेरे में क्या क्या है. When you say pip list, so this way you can list your pip, you can uninstall your pip, you can install your pip, you can find your package on the site pypi.org. You can use the package by writing import camel case c camel case. One is for package, one is for the function module. Then text which you want to convert in a camel case. Camel case means the first character should be in capital. Then print c in c we have a camel case module dot hump is the function through which we convert the text into camel case. Then install camel case. You can install your camel case and you can download or install the camel case. So today it is all. Tomorrow I will take some another thing. Someone asked me how to install the pip, so today I have taken this chapter, and I given you all the links through which you can install it. Thank you.